Hello, thank you for stopping by. Today I want to show you natural remedy that can help to prevent and treat respiratory disease. Like, come in, let's learn and do it together. But please, before you come in, as you are watching this video right now, share this video to all your friends, your family, to all your contacts, to everyone you know. Let's learn and do it together. Welcome back. This is just a combination of natural ingredients that can help to prevent and treat respiratory disease like flu, cough, cold, infection, pain, especially chest pain, headache, sore throat, and it may also treat and prevent coronavirus. So let's get started. So these are my items: ginger, garlic, 5 cloves of garlic, lemon, middle size of lemon, honey, and a clean container to put it inside. Now I'm going to dice the ginger, garlic, and lemon. I have washed and diced the ginger, garlic, and lemon. You can see I cut both the back of the lemon. Okay, so I'm going to mix it into the container now. Now we are going to start from the honey, just a little of it. You add half of the garlic, half of the ginger, half of the lemon, then you add honey on it again. After adding the honey, you add the remaining garlic, ginger, and lemon. I have put all in the container. Now I'm going to add the honey in it. Make sure it covers it. Then you cover it and shake it. So this is the first method, made with honey, garlic, ginger, and lemon. In this second method, we are using ginger, garlic, lemon, and honey. The difference is aloe vera and turmeric. We are going to make use of the aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to cut the aloe vera. You can see this is fresh aloe vera. I'm going to peel the back. We just need the inside, that is the gel. Put the gel into my blender and blend it. Now I'm going to mix the aloe vera gel together with the garlic, ginger, lemon, honey and turmeric into my clean container. Start from the honey, then add half of the ginger, half of the garlic, half of the lemon. Add honey, then add the remaining garlic, ginger and lemon. Add more honey. Make sure it covers it at level. After adding all into the container, you can see this is the mixture, just like the first one. Now I'm going to add the aloe vera gel and the turmeric in it. A spoon or 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Add my turmeric, just a little. Cover and shake it very well. This is the 2 method of natural remedy you need at home. It is good for both children and adults, old and young. You can use it for prevention or for treatment. You can go for the first method or the second method. You can see it is very easy and simple to do, and the items are affordable anywhere. If you cannot get all the items, you can go for the first method. How to use? For prevention, children under a year to 6 years, half tablespoon a day or once or twice in a week. For adults, a tablespoon a day or once or twice in a week. For treatment, children under a year and 6 years, a tablespoon 2 times in a day or 3 times in a day if the illness is more severe. For adults, 2 to 3 tablespoons 3 times in a day. Please note there are side effects if you take it too much. It can lead to health problems. And people with diabetes, blood pressure, heart disease, and those under medication should ask their doctor before taking it. Remember, too much of everything is bad, and prevention is better than cure. Thank you for watching. I hope I didn't waste your time. See you in my next video. Bye.